Shree Connect Smarter. Here we have the Siemens S7-1500 CPU. The model details are, it's a 1512C CPU, inbuilt OPC server connectivity. We need to make sure the OPC UA server is activated, and please note down the OPC TCP address along with the port. Now let's dive into the Siemens TA portal logic part. We have set up a straightforward move block to transfer fixed real values into data block 10. These values are mapped directly to the address db10.dbd12, dbd16, dbd20 and dbd24. The values are visible here. To understand the basic OPC client architecture, I am using the Softing OPC client, which is a free tool. Here we are manually adding our configured OPC server, which we have configured in our previous step. This is a Siemens 1500 OPC server. Now we are going to browse the tags associated with this OPC server. After launching the client, we connect to the and browse the Siemens OPC, which is configured. Navigating through the tags created in the portal, we locate data block 10 in our double words db12 through db24. As you can see, the values in the Softing client perfectly match the live CPU values. Let's head back to the TA portal for a quick test. Currently, db10.dbw12, it's having a value of 2020.2, which is reflected in the OPC client. Let's modify the values in the TA portal, which shall be overwritten to the S7-1500 CPU, and verify these values whether it will be updated in our Softing OPC UA client. Here you go. dbd12 is having a value of 2222.22, and dbd16 has a value of 3333.33, and other values similarly reflected in our OPC client. Part 3, showcasing the in-house Shree OPC client. Even though it's not an OPC client, it fulfills all the functionalities of a standard OPC client software. Let's configure the same data block words in our in-house Shree OPC client. Let's start with db10, dbd12, which is a real number. Next is DBD16. Next is DB10, DBD20. And last one is data block 10 and DBD24. Here you can see the same values which are in the PLCs are reflected here. For example, DBD12 is having a value 2222.22 and DBD16 is having a value of 3333.33. DBD20 is having 4444.44 and DBD24 is having 5555.55. Let's run on final version. We modify the values in our TA portal, which in turn modifies the value within the S7-1500 PLC. Okay, after the modification, we download the block. Once the PLC is updated, our in-house Shree OPC client is reflecting the values. Ta-da! Here you go. All the updated values are updated in the Shree Connectivity platform. Going back, in the Softing OPC client, we can verify the values. These are the same values. So at present, two OPC clients. One is a well-known Softing OPC UA client, and the second one is our in-house Shree Connectivity OPC client are displaying the same value. This proves our custom designed Shree OPC client is fully functional, highly responsive, and completely reliable for your industrial automation needs. Thank you for watching.